Hello friends, welcome to Crazy Crochet Work. Let's see some beautiful crochet ladies overcoat designs model. A crochet ladies overcoat is a stylish, long and cozy outerwear piece made using crochet techniques. It looks similar to a traditional coat or long cardigan, but is handcrafted with yarn instead of fabric. These coats are popular because they are warm, fashionable, and customizable in many patterns and colors. Features of a crochet ladies overcoat: long length, usually hip length, knee length, or even ankle length. Thicker yarn, made with medium or bulky yarn to create warmth. Structured designs often includes buttons, belts, collars, pockets, and clean-edged. Patterns can be created with simple stitches or fancy textured stitch designs. Common styles: long open front coat, flowy, elegant, usually without buttons, great for layering. Buttoned overcoats, more structured, with front buttons for a formal look. Oversized cozy coat, loose fit with chunky yarn, perfect for winter. Collar coat features a shawl collar or lapel style collar, giving it a classic coat appearance. Granny scarf overcoat, made from multiple colorful granny scarves sewn together, perfect for a vintage look. Textured stitch coat uses bubble stitch, offal stitch, cable stitch, or basket weave for a rich, warm texture. Here are some more useful tips for making a beautiful crochet ladies overcoat. First, choose the right yarn. Use medium, chunky, or bulky yarn for warmth. Also use wool, acrylic, or wool blends. Work best for coats. Next, pick a strong stitch to keep the coat firm and not too stretchy. Use waffle stitch, herringbone half double crochet, linen, moss stitch, single crochet variations. These stitches make the coat trouble and warm. Make a gauze swatch. Always check your gauze before starting. This ensures the coat fits correctly and doesn't turn out too tight or oversized. Add structure. To make the coat look professional, add chipped cuffs and hems. Use front bands like single crochet or dripping for clean edged. Reinforce shoulders with tighter stitches. Plan your sleeve shape. Two common sleeve types: straight sleeves for easy, chopped sleeves for more fitted and elegant. Add functional details. Small additions make it more stylish. Button, belt with loops, with cozy pockets, shawl or lapel collar. Work in panels. Most coats are made in 5 parts: back panel to front panels to sleeves. You sew them together for a clean shape. Block your panels. After finishing each part, steam block lightly. This helps stretching edged, matching sizes, getting a smooth finish. Use a neutral color for a classic look. Shades like beige, camel, cream, gray, black. This makes the coat timeless and easy to wear. Add texture for style. If you want a designer look, cable stitches, musketeer, puff or bobble accents. Striped color blocking. Use a strong joining method. For insewing the panels, use mattress stitch for invisible shim. Use slip stitch join for a neat, flexible join. Strong shims make the coat durable and long-lasting. Add a lining, optional but professional. If you want a premium finish, sew a fabric lining inside the coat, cotton or fleece. This keeps the coat firm, helps it hold shape, and stop stressing. Reinforced button area. If adding buttons, add extra rows of single crochet behind the button band. Use static yarn to the buttonholes. Don't stress over time. Jab belt tie for adjustable fit. A simple belt makes the coat more fashionable, more fitted, more comfortable for different body shapes. Add a big cozy hood. Hooded overcoats look modern and firm. You can crochet the hood separately and adjust it to the neckline. Use stitch markers, especially around armholes, shoulders, neck shaping. This helps keep both sides even and prevents mistakes. Keep edge clean. Use borders like single crochet, half double crochet, ribbing. Clean edged make the coat look store-bought. Choose the right hook size. For thick yarn, use 6 mm, 7 mm, 8 mm or bigger. A larger hook makes the coat softer and gives nice chop. Add side slits for comfort. Small slits at the bottom side makes packing easier, coat hang more naturally, look more stylish. Check color blocking. Use 2 or 3 colors in sections. Upper part on color, lower part another. Sleeves a mix. This creates a modern designer look. Add shoulder shaping. Instead of keeping the shoulders straight, add 2 or 3 rows of gentle decreases. This helps the coat sit naturally on the body and look more fitted. Use invisible decreases when shaping armholes or necklines. Use invisible decreases to keep the stitch texture smooth and clean. Add decorative borders. Enhance your coat with stylish borders such as curved stitch, picot edging, and shell edging. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe our channel. Happy crocheting!